Now, driving the second particular function. Now, the investigation process. I is equal to integration of dx upon a square minus x square. Now, again multiplying by 2a, we are getting 1 upon 2a with dx upon a square minus x square. Now, this becomes 1 upon 2a integration of, now to 2a, what should we write it? A plus x plus a minus x upon a minus x, a plus x with dx. Now, we are getting 1 upon 2a integration of, now a plus x upon a minus x, a plus x plus a minus x upon a minus x, a plus x dx. Okay. So, this becomes 1 upon 2a integration of 1 upon a minus x plus 1 upon a plus x dx. Now, to this we can write it I is equal to 1 upon 2a integration of first one dx upon a minus x plus integration of dx upon a plus x. Okay. So, now let us integrate. Now, what we are having? This is equal to 1 upon 2a log a minus x upon minus 1 plus log a plus x plus c. Okay. So, this becomes now 1 upon 2a minus 1 log a minus x plus log a plus x plus c. 1 upon 2a log a plus x minus log a minus x plus c, and finally we are having I is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Proved. Okay. So, this is the second derivation.